What is up, YouTube? It is your boy Sean Matthew, and apparently Anwar Jibawi is in love with his car. So he has his newest video, and that's the name of the title, and I'm about to react to that. Now, before I react, let me remind you, if you like this video, click that like and subscribe. Show me that love, please. So yeah, if he's in love with this car, is he gonna bang his car? I would hope not. Like, I sure hope he doesn't put his dick in that where he puts gasoline into it. I hope not. I don't think he will, but like, hey, like, you never know. But yeah. But with that being said, let's take a look. Okay. I know there's a girl in this video, so.
The best view in the whole city.
Wow, you weren't kidding.
Man.
Nope. I mean, it's a beautiful view, but I like this view a lot more.
Okay.
I like my view too.
What's he gonna do? He looks like he's about to do something. What?
Whoa! What's the leather?
What did I do?
You clearly dug your nails into my leather
I
seat.
barely even did anything.
Thousand
Okay, well, I'm
ways.
sorry.
Okay. How about we try this again?
Where were we?
Oh boy.
God, you're so beautiful.
You really think so?
Yeah, I mean, your outfit really complements the interior of this car. It's so beautiful.
I bet she goes pretty fast.
This thing is a beast, yeah.
Well, I can go pretty fast too.
Yeah, but I mean, like, you can't go from 0 to 60 in like 4 seconds, you know?
Here's to trying. Oh, what did I do now?
Your heels!
Not that there. I didn't mean to do that.
Oh my gosh. Some dudes are like that, I bet.
We were talking about how fast I can go.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, she can go fast, I
Not as
bet.
fast as your car.
Yeah, I was about to say, this thing has 367
Oh my
horsepower,
gosh, this
but
dude's really gonna talk about his car.
I mean, that's why it's called horsepower. It's in
Oh
horsepower.
my gosh.
Okay, I get it. She goes fast, but like, are we doing this thing?
Yeah, are we?
Every moment, right? Yeah.
Are we? What's gonna happen now?
Oh, hold on. Just gotta put some lipstick on.
Okay, yeah, for sure.
Oh no. Oh no. Wait, what is... Wait, what's going on?
That's enough of that. That's enough of that.
What? Oh gosh. I can't believe they tried it so many times after this. What? Dude, relax, bro. Oh my gosh.
Stop!
Now what?
I look like a freaking package.
A beautiful package.
One of the Pillsbury Doughboy.
Car. Hey, hey. Hey, where are you going? What happened? Hey, what was it something I said?
Oh my gosh.
Rough day.
Yeah.
Well, don't worry. Me and old Jennifer here are gonna get to that safe and sound quick as lightning. I just put a new turbo.
He's really taking a picture of his car. Wow. So yes, Mr. Anwar Jibawi, great video. Like, this might be my favorite video I reacted to yours so far. Great job. I cannot wait for the next one. But tell me, what did you guys think of this video? Leave your comments below, guys. And if you like this video, click that like button and subscribe. Thanks.